Hello everyone, I am Achilles. Today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem, which is 75th question, sort colors. It's a medium level problem. Here they are given an integer array nums, so they are asked us to sort the array. So here we are going to use a method called bubble sort. In that bubble sort means we are going to take each element from the loop and then sort it by swapping the elements with the adjacent elements. So initially we are taking the length of the array nums, length is taken as n, and we are going to take a boolean variable named swapped. We are going to use two arrays, one is the ith for loop and another one is a j for loop. In the ith for loop, the elements from 0 to n-1 are run. Initially the swapped is false, so we are going to come to the jth loop. Jth loop is runs from 0 to n-1 minus I. In this jth loops, we are going to take the elements. Initially the array element is 2, 0 and 1. J is now currently pointing at 0, the index. So we are going to check the nums of j is greater than nums of j plus 1. That which means nums of j plus 1 is 0, j is 2. Yes, here 2 is greater than 0, so we are going to swap the element. For swapping, we are going to use the temp variable and then we are swapping it. We are going to put the 0 in the 0th index and the 2 in the first index. So once we swap it, j will go to the next index. Now j will becomes 1. Here the array becomes 0 to 1. J is pointing at first index and j plus 1 is 1. Here also we are checking the same thing, that is j is greater than j plus 1. Yes, here also j is greater than j plus 1. So we are going to swap these elements also. So after swapping, it becomes 0, 1, 2. Now we get that 0, 1, 2. And finally we are going to check if there are no swapping is needed, means we will break it. It's a void function, so we are not going to return anything. It takes the array after doing all the operations. Thank you.